Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to be doing some unboxing. This is my new guide scope that I recently bought and it has just turned up and I am really excited to get into it. So a bit of history. I have recently gotten back into astrophotography. I sold all my gear recently and now I'm just rebuilding my my rig. Yeah, so this box is a bit hard to open, but I'm sure you'll get through that. As you can see, it's well packed. There are foamy bits to protect. Don't mind my son; he's just watching me do it. This is, let's have a look. What is that? Oh, it is the ring. So the guide scope ring is there. It comes in pieces, as you can expect. This is the mounting thing that you mount the rings on, and these are the Allen key and some screws to tighten things. So it's all neatly packed. I love that. And there's another ring. There you go. So it's not assembled, obviously. You have to assemble this by yourself. So if you're not competent in Allen keys and all that, you might need someone's help. So this is the guide scope itself, and it is, see, this is the optic bit, so it is well packed and yeah, it's protected. So it's got look, it's so good to hold. I mean, you can it's not bad quality. Look at the optical bit. It looks clean. It's very nice to hold. There's screw to hold it together. Yeah. So there you have it. This guide scope. I look forward to testing it and I'll do a review for it later. Thanks for joining me.